Take a breath and let the colors flow. Leave the world behind, take it slow. Every line, a gentle guide to the peace we hold inside.